How to change the steam wand O-ring. In this case, the steam wand is the code is MC742, the code of all this part, and practically every time you do this work, you consume this O-ring, and the difficulty is unlock this nut, because one time is unlocked. Pay attention, because we have to reinstall in the same way. Practically we have to remove this nut, and the O-ring is inside here. We can use a tool like this, and we can remove this O-ring, and we will need a little bit of grease, alimentary grease, and we have to reassemble it. As we can see, the nut, inside in the nut we have the look. Okay. Practically now we have to do this in a V-pline machine, but is the same also for a lot of 50s machine. We have two type of steam wand. We have the cool touch. Then the difference is that the cool touch inside here, the tube here is bigger, and inside here we have a Teflon tube. The not cool touch wand is this. Practically we have this tube, and inside there's nothing, and the stainless steel tube is smaller. Part of the wand is made in this way. Practically we have the spring guide, the spring, here the gasket, and after some use this gasket is to change. In this case we have a V-pline model. We have to unscrew this nut. I use a 22mm key. The machine must be cold. Attention, because if we have steam inside, it's not the best. I have to unscrew this nut. Attention, because we have the spring and the spring guide. Okay. Now I have removed the wand. Remove in this case is a pl92 wand. Okay, in this case I use this cloth to be sure do not damage this. Remove this, and practically we have to remove the nut. When we have the nut, I use these tools or a small cut screwdriver, and I remove the black O-ring. This is new, but if the machine is used, you can see that in this position is not new, is consumed, is used. Okay, I need the new O-ring. Use this grease. You can put a little bit of grease. Remove the exceed grease, and I put the gasket into the hole. Okay, the nut, and in this case clean all the grease. Okay, I put a little bit of grease also here because it's better have to work in this way. Okay, now you need too much force to compress the spring and reinstall the nut. Then it's easier. Remove the water from the water tank, remove the drip tray, remove the power cord, and turn the machine lip upside down, because in this way is easier. Practically, we have to install these components in this way, and now we have to install the nut, push down and turn the nut. Okay, now I have to use the 22mm key. Now it's locked. Now I have to turn the machine in the correct position. Water tank, power cord, drip tray, turn on the machine, and we have to, in this case it's a dual boiler machine. If it's not a dual boiler machine, we have to drain a little bit of water from here, because if we have some grease, if we have used too much grease, the grease can exit to the wand. And that's it. The work is finished. We have changed the gasket, and that's it.